Yung mga previous na students ko, dyan lang sila kung saan-saan. Papunta doon, papunta dito. Then the time na nalaman nila may ALS, pumasok sila. Then ngayon nasa formal school na ulit sila. Ganun ka-importante ang ALS. Palagi naming sinasabi that we need professional development trainings, workshops, na kung saan mas hands-on talaga ang mga teachers.
Inaalalayan namin kasi yun naman ang end goal natin. All these out-of-school children, out-of-school youth is to bring them back dito sa formal school.
There have been significant progress and milestones in ensuring education access in MARP. However, it's also important to mention that problems still persist and that there's still high numbers of out-of-school children and adolescents. So BDO Foundation would like to respond to this problem by partnering with UNICEF, supporting MBHTE and the Schools Division Office to improve and strengthen their existing ALS mechanisms. The capacity building sessions for this week intend to respond to the needs that they expressed in terms of digital literacy skills, universal design for learning, and education in emergencies. We want to make sure that even after the project ends, ALS teachers are still able to support one another and build their capacities through peer mentorship and coaching.
Papasalamat po ako sa BDO, sa UNICEF. Marami kaming natutunan so that when we go back to our station, ma-apply namin yon.
This is an answered prayer because UNICEF and BDO are bringing closer to ALS Tawi-Tawi, the concepts of teaching methods and digital literacy.
Masayang-masaya ako actually. Ngayon pa lang ini-imagine ko na yung mga future na partnership pa natin. Mahaba-haba pa yung pagsasamahan natin. Kaya nga sa UNICEF at saka sa BDO po, sana yung tuloy-tuloy yung partnership natin and we just hope na yung tulong nyo, makikita nyo kung ano ang magiging end goal nito, yung resulta sa mga bata.